Hi, I'm Wendy Martin, and this is the Saga of the Startup, home of the EasyFold fitted sheet. It's been a busy 2 weeks since my last update. I met with the SBDC's Director of International Business Development early last week. I was hoping to get help with choosing which country to manufacture in, but it turns out his role is really to encourage and help people do business in Virginia, or at least in the United States. I did walk away with one valuable piece of information, though. He gave me the contact for a reputable company that does vetting for manufacturers outside the United States, and I will definitely need to do that if I end up producing my sheets. That brings me to my next topic, that of online market research. I think I've said all along that I'm not going to throw my life savings into this sheet idea if I don't have a definite market for selling them. So I put a few ads on Facebook just to see what the interest would be. The two ads that did best were first one where I reposted another person's content on organizing small closets, and then underneath I put my EasyFold fitted sheet logo and like a thing that said, if you have a small linen closet, these fitted sheets fold flat, with like a learn more button that people could click on and would take them to my How It Works video. The other one that did fairly well was one that showed my thumbnail. I think a lot of people have seen it. It's my EasyFold fitted sheet logo and the title that says How It Works. And that takes people to that same video. So my How It Works video has been viewed now over 3,300 times, and that's in the past 3 months. Definitely most of that has been through paid advertising, but I've spent less than $150 in all to reach more than 18,000 people. So I feel like that's pretty good. The problem is that I'm not getting a lot of feedback. So I don't know if people watched the video and liked it or watched the video and hated it. And the other thing is that the video quality is pretty bad. I took it with my iPhone and it's definitely grainy, especially where I tried to get up close to show how the capsule fit into the capsule closure. And that brings me to my next point. On Tuesday, I had someone come to my house for a professional video shoot. The new video should allow people to see the details of how my product works. They'll also be much shorter. According to Facebook, the Facebook analytics, the average viewer was only watching my video until about the 45-second mark, which is right where you get to the end of me flattening the sheet out. And the rest of that video is me putting it back into the fitted form. People weren't even watching that. So they weren't getting to the end video where it says subscribe, but I still don't even know if that subscribe button works. And then I need to make it so that people can get to the end and then click on a link that'll take them to my website. But with YouTube, you have to have 4,000 subscribers in order to do that, and I definitely don't have that many subscribers. So that is not going to be in the cards for me. I think I'm going to have to take it off of YouTube and put it on some other video hosting site so that I can have a link that goes directly back. Then I'll probably, from there, I can, there's a program where I can take my how-to video and post it on Facebook and then still use the Facebook advertising in order to get people to the video, and then at the end it'll have the link that'll go to my website, and hopefully I'll get a little better idea if people are interested or not. The new videos are going to be somewhere between 20 and 50 seconds long, so I think that's just more doable for people. And other than that, I just sent my retractable reel files to a local prototyping company to increase the size of the handles. I should be getting the final sample in either today or tomorrow. And then after that, I created folding directions and sent those pictures out to a graphic artist to create the illustrations. And then I sent all the package information to a different artist to create the package design. I am just praying that all of this is done in the next 2 weeks. I've already sent my sheet to the tech packer, but they're waiting for all the files to come in before they get started with the tech pack. So that's all for now. I'll see you next time on the Saga of the Startup. Bye.